Hey y'all, it's your girl Aarian. Welcome to the channel, or welcome if you are new. And today we're going to be doing my really easy everyday 10-15 minute makeup tutorial for beginners, because I'm still a beginner. I'm still trying to learn, but this is what I do when I want to look a little bit more put together. And of course, it all starts with your skin prep. I just did all of my skincare routine, but I still look a little tired, so I have these eye patches on. They are from Peach Slices, I think. And I have like eye cream underneath. These are reusable, so I just do eye cream. I'm going to go switch into a voiceover because I was jamming to music. So I'm just talking about what I'm doing in the voiceover. So voiceover Aari, I am passing it over to you. Okay, so first things first, we're doing our under eyes. I use this Janessa Myrick Skin Balm. The thing is, this is actually the wrong shade, and even the team told me that, but I took too long to return it, so I just use it for like my under eyes and then spot correcting. So under my eyes, I have like redness underneath my nose, put it there. Any of my redness from like my pimples, I have like a dark mark from a pimple, I covered that one really easily with this. And yeah, that's really all I do for my skin. I don't do too much, just cover all of the redness, the dark marks. This is my makeup bag that I carry with me when doing my makeup in the car. But this is the drill I just got from my new brow artist. I don't know if she sells this. She should, because she just gave it to me because it came with like the aftercare of my brows. But it's actually like super good. I use a lot of it. So I just, slick it up and slick it over. I remember one time somebody told me that they really liked me, but he didn't want to hurt my feelings, and he was like, please, for the love of God, stop slicking your eyebrows up. So now I slick them over, and I will always remember him for that. But next we're using the contour stain. This is from Statue Beauty. I forget the shade. It's going by so fast. Oh my gosh, Aaron. Why did you edit this so fast? The shade is on the screen. But I put this on my nose, my cheekbones, my jaw, where like my eyeliner, kind of all that stuff, and let it sit while I do my freckles. I've been doing freckles for a little bit, but I've learned that this honestly is one of my favorite ones because it stays and it looks the most natural. I have freckles naturally, but I wish I had more, so this lets me live my dream, It's better to add less and add more later, I've learned, so little goes a long way, do it that way. Then I'm going in with my blush. I love these Morphe cheek thrills. I feel like Morphe has been having a great comeback, y'all. Like, they went bankrupt and said, okay. Like, they have not missed yet. But this is my favorite shade, and I use it to blend it in with that contour slash bronzer. It's really more of a bronzer shade than contour, but I feel like it blends in so nice. Also, that's my favorite brush. It's a cosmetics brush. I have one just for my purse when I'm touching on my makeup on the go because it is so versatile. And I just go in with whatever's left from that brush and blend in my jawline, my forehead, and bring up that contour up to like my eyebrow and like my eye and blend it out a bit more. Then I go in with my cream bronzer from Fenty Beauty and Teddy. It's literally my favorite one. Like, I need to let it go soon, but I really only apply this on my eyelid and a little bit on my nose and on my chin. Next, I'm going in with that cream blush slash highlighter, but I'm using a little bit, like I said in the video, a little bit. It goes a long way. Putting it on my cheeks and on the top of my nose. And then I want to spray my face with the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist because I wanted to give like my face glowy dewy and all that. So I do that, set my face with my little fan got from Five Below. Then we're going in with my mascara. This is my favorite mascara, y'all. It's actually really affordable to get it from Ulta. I recommend everybody gets it. Like, Revolution Beauty makes the best mascara in the world. You cannot convince me. And look at that difference. Like, period. I do want to get into like actual lashes, but until then, until I have the patience for that, this mascara will do me right. And we're almost done, y'all. So this whole time, my skin had that blush putting on my Fenty Skin. It's really great, but now I'm gonna take it all the way off from the actual lip combo. I'm using some of the Morphe lip pencils. This one is in Rocksteady. It's a cool tone brown, so it's actually really close to my natural lip shade. Use a little bit of this, and then we're going in with another pencil, and it is in the shade Nightcap. It's a lot darker, it's not as cool, but I'm really only adding this to my top lip before we blend it out with my finger. People use brushes, I use fingers. If you can tell, I use fingers a lot. So I'm gonna just go ahead, blend it out, and we're gonna use a Morphe lipstick. Now usually I don't do this, actually. I don't know what made me use this, but it's really cute. It's in the shade Honey. That's what it looks like. I haven't used it before, as you can tell. I should have used a lot less. I feel like I should have just kept it and dabbed it on my top lid, but I still made it work. Looks really cute, but looks really natural. So I just like blotted it out a lot more, added a bit more of some lip liner, and then we're gonna go in with a little bit of lip gloss. I don't even know if it is lip gloss. I don't know. It's by Laneige, and y'all, this smells so good. Like it smells like donuts. It smells amazing. But I use a little bit of this, just blot it on there. And I'm gonna set my face with this fixing spray by Revolution Beauty. I don't know if I really like it all the way. The verdict is still out. We'll see. I'm gonna do my edges because edges do make the look. And this is the final look. I love how it comes out. It looks really natural with bronze. Like I really want to look just bronze, natural like myself. But like, you know, I put a little effort in, but this is still my skin. You know, no makeup. And this is the final look. Like I said, this is a no makeup look. I don't do too much, but I want to look like I'm alive, you know? I want to feel good if it's my skin, but like with a little glow, with a little bronze. I do want to work my makeup. I want to get better like putting it on for real. But I just need some more practice. So I think I'm gonna start a new series of me recreating makeup looks or like famous influencers makeup routines, seeing which one looks good on my facial structure, and then just bringing y'all along with me. I have a couple of influencers that I want to recreate their makeup routine that I've saved, and I'm excited. I think I have literally or almost everything they have, but if it's not the same product, I'm gonna try to do like a good enough dupe so we can still make it work. But I'm excited. Let me know if you like the look. I think I'll be looking good. I get a lot of compliments on my look. They be like, you look so glowy, Aarian. I'm like, thank you. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I'm trying to hit 10K by the end of the year. I feel like it's doable. Just together, me and you. I'll see you guys on Sunday or Monday. One of those. Whenever my laptop wants to act right. We'll see. But love you guys, and I will see y'all soon.